Hey everyone, we're back for another week of looking at the analysis and the master candles. We'll take a look at the master candles this week, but we only had one right at the end of the week and it only just triggered. But as you all know, we leave those right at the end of the weekend and the ones that form right at the last part on Friday. So there was no master candles again this week, which I believe is the second or third week in a row, which is not good. We'll reassess the method a bit in a couple of weeks to see how it's going. But overall, it is a slow method, so we'll just bear with it for now. It's not losing lots of pips, but it's not making any either. But we'll come across that shortly. On to analysis is a daily chart of the GJ. We had a ripper of a week this week. The first couple of days we're pushing down. There's actually a trend line that comes up here. Based off a daily chart, which is quite far back. And hang on a sec. So just quickly before I zoom in again, you'll see it's based off the 22nd of the first 09 all the way to 21st of the 5th 2010. What's the odds of that? Anyway, I'll zoom in again for us. So as you can see, we had no closes below that trend line. So this pin bar here was a great opportunity to long. This jump and this start moved extremely quickly after the daily open. This was when Japan announced that they intervened and that stuff went on. Yeah, so to get into that, you would have to have been right on the ball. It was only like 20 minutes or an hour in between, and then it was a push up that whole day. As you can see, we fell into this daily trend line, support and resistance line through here as well, and it would have been a great opportunity to short for 70 odd pips, maybe a tad more depending on your entry. And we formed a pin bar for the end of the week, so I think we'll see a little bit of a retracement this week down to around this area here, give or take around 50% of the candle, but that's only via visual. That's not because of that. I think we'll come and see the sell-off from here before we continue further higher, but we'll wait and see how the market opens and what news has happened this weekend. And that's GJ. Let's have a look at GU. GU is a bit of the same story. Let's get rid of this grid. GU is a bit of the same story. We had an area of consolidation this week that formed here, and it had been going on for a while. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 days. So about 2 weeks. There's quite hard trading in here unless you know how to trade range markets. But we have broken out past it, but only to these highs. I do anticipate us a further push up higher, but I think we'll have exactly like GU, a little retracement before we see that further higher. And we had a nice pin bar off this top zone here, so it could be a quite good short down to the 15500 mark, but we'll see how that goes. That's it for this week, just a short video. I hope you all got some great pips from the two markets I just talked about, or any other pair that you trade, and I'll talk to you soon.